Hey guys. I feel like I haven't talked to you in like 10 years, probably because it's been like a week and a half and I usually post like twice a week. Sorry, I still sound like I'm kind of dying. I am kind of dying still. I don't even know what I had. There was just like a virus going around campus and I was so meaning to do a video like all about recruitment and stuff, but recruitment is when I was sick, so that was just wonderful. I so enjoyed it. So I'm just now like getting better and like having my voice back and everything. And so I just wanted to like touch base with you guys. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm like mixing up my water. I got like fruit punch flavoring for it because I like fruit punch. And I need to drink my liquid. So here goes nothing. It's actually really good and it was like the great value kind. So I don't need to spend money on the expensive stuff. Get you some of the cheap stuff, works the same. Anyway, so I just like wanted to touch base with you guys on like what's been going on. So I've been sick. I did recruitment. Let's talk about it because it's the tea. So if any of you guys are wondering, I have not yet joined a sorority. I dropped out after the sisterhood round of recruitment, which if you guys know at all how recruitment goes, it's like, so you do like just a round where you meet every chapter, and we have 11 chapters here on campus. So we did like 2 days of just meeting every single chapter, talking to them for like 20-25 minutes each. And then you kind of went through and you picked your favorite 8 out of the 11. And then they also had to pick you and want you to come back for the philanthropy round, which like philanthropy is like what they support, what their cause is, like that they are raising money for and doing events for and stuff like that. 1 second, I'm gonna take a sip. So the 8 that I wanted to get invited back to for philanthropy round, I did get invited back to, which was really cool. So I got to go to all 8 of those parties, and that took 1 day. And then after that, you brought down your preference to like from 8 to 5. You put your top 5. Once again, they had to want you back as well. So that was called the sisterhood round, where you went to 5. And again, thankfully, all the 5 that I wanted invited me back. I went through like, oh, and by the way, every round that you like go through the parties start getting longer and longer. They're not like actual parties. You just sit and you talk. So like the sisterhood round, you talk more about like what they do as a chapter, which is what each like sorority is called. They're called the chapter. And like what you talk about, like what they do as sisters and stuff like that, just bonding stuff that they do. You go into their house and you like see how things work around there and everything like that, which is really cool. I went to a few of the parties, and just like all throughout my recruitment process, I'd been sick, first of all, which was like I felt like complete crap being at these parties and talking to people all day long, and then having to get up early the next morning, look nice, all this stuff. Like I felt like complete crap. And then I was just getting like, some people in my life were like, no, don't do it, like sorority is so dumb and you wouldn't fit in well, and other people were like, no, it's the best decision you'll ever make. So I was like really conflicted about whether or not I wanted to do it. And then I also just had like a lot of papers and exams, and I was just stressed overall. So like halfway through sisterhood round, I ended up withdrawing, and I genuinely regret it. So like they're gonna be doing open recruitment soon, which is just like, it's not, I went through formal recruitment. That was formal recruitment. Informal recruitment or open recruitment happens like in the winterish time, and it's like you just go and it's a lot less, like there's not like these parties and these rounds. Like you just pretty much go and you talk to the people of the sorority that you know you want to be in, and if they give you a bid, they give you a bid. If they don't, they don't. So hopefully I'll get to be a part of the sorority that I like this spring. I'll let you guys know when that gets back, like when I get back with that. Yeah, and let me think. Oh my gosh, let me just show y'all my Halloween my fall decorations that I got here. Look at what I put on the wall. It's a sign that says happy fall. Y'all know like these pumpkin string lights, and I I ordered them from Target. Also, you know it's fall season when I'm using a pumpkin to prop up my phone right now to vlog. That's just, it's great. Yeah, I'm really excited for spooky season. I got cookies the other day. I'm gonna bake cookies for like my friends, my boyfriend, and like his fraternity and stuff. And it's gonna be really good. And what else has been going on in my life? Oh, so like I still have my pageants, and they're actually coming up so much quicker than I thought that they were. And I'm kind of like getting stressed because I like haven't even taken my dresses to my seamstress yet to get them altered for the pageant. And so I was like looking, I was like, oh, I still got time. I look at my calendar, I'm like, oh, I'm busy that weekend, that weekend, that weekend. I was like, my seamstress is 2 hours away back at home. And I also have 2 dresses that she needs to alter by November 3rd. So I'm making a trip home this Friday, literally not even staying the night home. I'm driving there and then driving back because I can't adult. It's just been decided. I shouldn't be allowed to adult. I'm really bad at it. But those are coming up. I'll do more like, especially like vlogging and like some videos of what goes on there, just to give you guys like the inside scoop of pageants and stuff like that. I'm really excited. Once again, like I am raising money for Children's Miracle Network hospitals. I'm now doing it for 2 different like organizations kind of, and this is another thing that I'll talk about. I'm doing it for the Miss Ohio / Miss America organization through my pageants, so I'm gonna leave that link down below. And then I'm also raising money. I'm participating in Dance Marathon here at Bowling Green, and that is just like raising money for the Children's Miracle Network hospitals as well. So I'm raising money for both of those. I'll leave both of the links down below if you guys would like to donate. They are going to help local hospitals for families that can't afford all of the medical care that they need for kids. So I just really like that cause that they're supporting. So I've got that linked down below for y'all. If you feel compelled at all to donate, any amount helps. $2 helps, $1 helps, literally whatever you are willing to give helps so much for like the cause. So I'll leave that down below, and it would mean the world to me if you would donate to the kids. I don't get like any of the money. It's in no way like an affiliate or anything like that. Like it's all going to the kids, not to me, I promise. And yeah, so I mean, I think like that's all that I have really to talk about. Oh, I'm going to be doing spooky season videos because spooky season is my favorite season. So if you guys have any requests for like spooky season videos, I'm probably gonna do like some DIY costumes, some fall decorating, like Halloween treats and stuff like that. If you guys have any other requests for like spooky season videos, let me know down below. I'm so excited. It's spooky season, then Thanksgiving, then Christmas, and I freaking love Christmas so much. Okay, I'll stop rambling and I'll let you guys go. I promise I'm gonna start uploading more regularly. I'll probably get back to my 2 times a week now that I'm better, and I'm like midterms are like happening and stuff right now, so it's just been overwhelming, but I'm gonna get back to it, I promise. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.